Imagine giant planets crashing into each other like it's a space demolition derby. I'm talking massive explosions, worlds getting destroyed, and the moon being made from literal space shrapnel. This isn't sci-fi. This actually happened. Today, we're telling the insane story of how our solar system was born from total chaos. Before Earth, before the Sun, there was just a huge cloud of gas and dust floating in space. One day, something shook it up. Maybe a nearby star exploded, and the whole thing collapsed in on itself. It spun faster and faster until it formed a flat disk. In the middle of that disk, a baby sun started to glow. Around the sun, tiny bits of dust stuck together to form rocks. Then those rocks smashed into other rocks to form bigger rocks. Eventually, those grew into baby planets. But here's the twist. There were way too many of them, and they were all crashing into each other like a cosmic game of bumper cars. This wasn't peaceful. For millions of years, giant baby planets were smashing into each other. Some exploded, some merged, some got completely destroyed. It was like a massive battle royale, and only the strongest survived. Earth got absolutely wrecked in one of the biggest hits ever. Here's the craziest part. About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was still forming. Then, out of nowhere, a Mars-sized planet, we call it Theia, came crashing into it at full speed. Boom. Chunks of Earth and Theia flew into space. And over time, that debris formed the moon. Yep, our moon is made from the leftovers of a planet-to-planet collision. That one hit changed Earth's spin, its tilt, and gave us the moon. Without it, we might not even have life here today. Let's talk about Mercury, the tiny hot planet closest to the sun. It's basically just a big metal ball. Scientists think it used to be a lot bigger, but got smacked so hard, most of its outer layers were blown off. Now, it's just a leftover core, the skeleton of a planet that lost a fight. Venus is Earth's evil twin, same size, but hotter than an oven and covered in toxic gas. Something messed up its spin, too. It spins backward. It probably got hit hard, just like Earth, but the impact was different. Instead of making a moon, it made Venus weird. Mars is even stranger. It's small and kind of sad. It probably could have been bigger. But scientists think Jupiter, the giant of the solar system, came too close and stole all of Mars' building blocks. Basically, Mars got robbed and never fully grew up. Between Mars and Jupiter is a bunch of space rocks called the asteroid belt. Fun fact, that was probably supposed to be another planet, but Jupiter's gravity was like, nope, and kept all the pieces from coming together. Now it's just a chaotic mess of broken rocks, leftovers from destroyed worlds. Out past the asteroid belt, the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune were forming, but even they weren't safe. Uranus, it got hit so hard, it rolls on its side. Neptune might have switched places with Uranus at some point, and Jupiter, that dude was wild. It was flinging stuff all over the place like a cosmic wrecking ball. After a few 100 million years of chaos, things started to settle down. The big planets stayed put. The crashing slowed down. Orbits became more stable. And finally, we had the solar system we know today. 8 planets, dozens of moons, and a ton of leftover space rocks. But even now, you can still see the scars. Craters on the moon, impact sites on Earth, weird tilts on planets. Everything we see today is shaped by the chaos that came before. Every crater, every moon, every spin, orbit, and tilt. It's all because of these insane world-ending collisions. The moon exists because 2 planets hit each other. Mercury is just a metal core because it lost a planetary boxing match. Mars is small because it got starved by Jupiter and Earth. We're only here because we made it through the madness. So next time you look at the moon, remember it's made from the wreckage of a cosmic crash. Next time you hear about Mars, remember it's a planet that almost became something great. And remember this, our calm solar system today. It's only peaceful because the chaos already happened. If planets could talk, they'd have some wild stories to tell. If you thought this was crazy, wait till you hear how the sun almost ate Earth. Coming soon, subscribe so you don't miss it.